Let's go to the more exciting part. You're reading on specific politicos. No? Let's start with the president. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., born on September 30, 1957 in Santa Mesa, Manila. What do you see his future, his work here in 2026?
Okay, number one, his sign is Virgo. No? So it means nga he will be affected, no, by the eclipse. On the positive side, hindi siya direct hit. No? So hindi siya direct hit. It means na parang pag eclipse, di ba, may problema, may tension. So I think may pressure. Number one, ang maapektuhan sa kanya is the body. No? So kumbaga yung health niya, kailangan niyang ingatan. No? Pero I think sa political, maybe 2026 is not a critical year for him. Although, there might be attempts to destabilize.
Again?
Okay.
There might be attempts,
No.
but I don't think.
But you sincerely believe the president will survive 2026?
Okay.
No, in terms of in terms of being in power.
And then,
Hindi naman yung health kasi that's
yeah.
personal to him eh.
Yeah.
Yung external factors like yung mga nangyayaring mga rallies, demonstrations,
I think it will
destabilization na
continue.
binanggit nyo.
I think it will continue, pero I think 2026 he will survive. Although sa tingin ko kasi baka mas powerful in 2027, pero let's talk about
Mas
that
powerful
next
in
year.
a good way for him or in a...
Mas powerful yung mga attempts.
Oh, okay.
So hindi titigil yung attempts.
This is a
That's
never-ending,
that's
ano?
one
You know,
thing.
I suggest you be invited sa palasyo until 2028 para malinaw na.
Let's go to Vice President Sara Duterte, born on May 31, 1978 in Davao City. What do you see?
Okay, last year, no, we nabanggit natin somewhere, no, I think dito rin sa sa BNC, no, na swerte siya nung first half of 2025, no. Okay, so pero as the year progress, no, especially pagdating nga nitong first quarter ng 2026, no, tatamaan siya ng eclipse, no. So again, ang meaning ng eclipse is may destabilizing effect sa kanya or sa buhay niya. So ang tatamaan actually sa chart niya is number one yung Mars, no. Mars is the enemies, no. So kumbaga ma-agitate or parang magiging more active ng mga enemies niya, whoever they are, no. So which includes maybe sila former Senator Trillanes, for example, no? Or yung process, no, nung accountability, no, sa kanya. So I think mapapabilis yun kasi yung mga taong against sa kanya would be working harder.
Are you seeing cases being filed against her?
Oh, actually, nangyayari na. May kaso ng final sa ombudsman to have her investigated. Yung impeachment na lang, hinihintay.
Yeah,
Will that happen?
I think so, based on the influence. Kasi nga, yung eclipse kasi, no, 6 months before, may nagbi-build up na yan ng energy. No? So, kumbaga, as early as 3 months, 6 months, 5 months ago, medyo papunta na doon sa, parang hindi naman culmination at tapos, no? Pero yung intensification ng issue tungkol sa kanyang either impeachment or yung mga kaso, mag-intensify, no? Come February.
Oh, interesting. Sabi mo rin, that's also the eclipse, no?
Yes.
So, okay.
Yun ang natin eh. Yun ang basis ng astrology, mga planetary or heavenly configurations.
Si Pangulong Duterte na pinanganak noong March 28 sa Maasin, Southern Leyte. Ako ang tanong ko lang, makakalaya ba siya o maabsuelto ba siya?
Okay, no? So, so sa astrology nga, no, we talk about planets.
Yes.
Yung basic meaning ng planets and effects sa tao. Okay. So yung Saturn kasi will be in Aries, which is his sun sign. Okay. So ang Saturn, siya yung planet na may rings, which means boundaries, no. So ibig sabihin hindi siya makakaalis sa boundaries.
Are you saying he will stay in ICC for good?
Yes.
In the
Based on that configuration.
Oh, okay. That's anyway, tingnan natin.